What if the reason you're not wealthy yet isn't luck, connections or talent, but clarity? Most people wake up every day busy but not purposeful. They work hard but they don't work toward a clear destination. Napoleon Hill discovered that wealth flows faster to those who decide exactly what they want and refuse to drift. If you've ever felt stuck, confused, or overwhelmed by too many options, this message will change how you think about success forever. Stay with me till the end, because the final lesson might be the missing key to your breakthrough. Lesson uno. A clear goal activates your subconscious mind. The human subconscious is often compared to a fertile garden. It does not choose what seeds are planted, but it will grow whatever is placed within its soil. Napoleon Hill's fundamental premise is that a definite chief aim acts as a seed with a high germination rate. When your objectives are vague, such as "I want to be rich," the subconscious mind lacks the necessary instructions to take action. It is like a high-powered GPS system that has been told to go somewhere nice. Without specific coordinates, the engine may idle, but the vehicle remains stationary. Clarity is the ignition switch for the vast computational power of the subconscious. When you define a goal with absolute precision, you trigger a neurological phenomenon known as the reticular activating system (RAS). The RAS is a bundle of nerves at our brainstem that filters out unnecessary information and lets through what is important. By obsessing over a clear goal, you program your RAS to notice coincidences that others miss. You begin to see a specific book on a shelf, overhear a relevant conversation in a coffee shop, or notice a market trend that was previously invisible. This isn't magic, it is your subconscious mind working as a sophisticated radar, scanning the environment for the resources required to fulfill your definiteness of purpose. Hill famously noted that the subconscious mind works even while we sleep. By feeding it a clear, emotionally charged goal before bed, you allow your mind to process problems without the interference of the conscious critical ego. This often leads to the aha moment upon waking. A creative solution to a complex financial hurdle or a new business strategy. Wealth building is essentially a series of solved problems, and by delegating these problems to the subconscious through clear goal setting, you leverage 90% of your brain power that most people leave untapped. The speed of wealth accumulation is directly proportional to the clarity of the vision. When the mind is no longer wandering through a fog of maybe and someday, it enters a state of hunting. This predatory focus on a goal creates a magnetic effect. Hill argued that a mind saturated with a clear desire for wealth begins to attract the physical equivalents of that desire. In modern terms, this is the alignment of intention and action. You stop being a spectator of your life and become the architect, building a psychological infrastructure that makes success not just possible but inevitable. Lesson 2. Clear goals eliminate distraction. In the modern age, the greatest thief of wealth is not taxes or market crashes, but the fragmentation of attention. Most individuals suffer from drifting, a term Hill used to describe those who allow themselves to be influenced by every passing circumstance. A clear goal functions as a powerful biological and psychological filter. When you know exactly where you are going, every invitation, every new shiny object, business opportunity, and every social obligation is measured against a single metric. Does this move me closer to my definite chief aim? If the answer is no, the decision to decline becomes effortless. Wealth grows through the power of compounding, and compounding requires consistency. If you exert 100 units of energy in 10 different directions, you move 1 inch in each. However, if you apply those same 100 units in a single direction, you move 100 inches. Clear goals prevent the dissipation of your life force. By narrowing your focus, you create a laser-like intensity that can burn through obstacles that would stop a drifter. This economy of effort is what separates the self-made millionaire from the person who is perpetually busy but never prosperous. Distraction is often a symptom of a lack of purpose. Without a clear destination, the mind naturally seeks the path of least resistance, which is usually entertainment or triviality. A clear goal provides a North Star that makes the sacrifices of the present moment feel meaningful rather than painful. You don't lose the time you spend working, you invest it. This shift in perspective transforms your relationship with time. You begin to guard your hours more fiercely than your bank account, understanding that while lost money can be replaced, lost time is gone forever. Furthermore, clear goals allow for the elimination of cognitive load. When you are unsure of your path, your brain is constantly forced to make difficult decisions about what to do next. This leads to decision fatigue, which erodes willpower and leads to poor financial choices. A clear goal automates 80% of your daily choices. You already know what you are doing today, tomorrow, and next year because the path is mapped out. This freed up mental energy can then be redirected into high-level strategy and execution, accelerating the journey toward financial independence. Lesson 3. Clear goals build unshakable confidence. Confidence is not an innate personality trait, it is a byproduct of certainty. When a person lacks a clear goal, they are perpetually in a state of trial and error, which breeds self-doubt. Every setback feels like a personal failure because there is no larger context to place it in. Conversely, when you have a definite purpose, setbacks are viewed merely as data points or temporary detours. This perspective shift creates a psychological armor that protects the individual from the sting of criticism and the fear of failure. There is a physiological change that occurs when a person operates with clarity. As Hill observed, they walk differently and speak with more authority. This is because clarity eliminates the internal friction caused by conflicting desires. When you are 100% committed to a single outcome, your body language and tone of voice reflect that integration. In the world of business and finance, this presence is magnetic. Investors, clients, and employers are naturally drawn to the person who appears to know exactly where they are going, as it provides them with a sense of security. According to Hill, the law of success is fueled by a burning desire, but that desire must be backed by faith. Faith is the state of mind which may be induced by auto-suggestion, the repeated mental affirmation of a clear goal. As you visualize your goal with clarity, you convince your mind that the achievement is already a reality. This mental rehearsal builds a level of confidence that is unshakable because it is based on a future certainty rather than past performance. You become a person who acts as if it is impossible to fail. Confidence also accelerates decision-making. Wealthy individuals are known for making decisions quickly and changing them slowly, if at all. This is only possible when one has a clear set of values and a definite goal. When an opportunity arises, you don't need weeks to think it over. You check it against your goal, and if it aligns, you strike. This speed of implementation is a competitive advantage that compounds over time. The confident person moves with a sense of destiny, and as Hill frequently reminded his readers, the world has a habit of making room for the person whose actions show they know where they are going. Lesson 4. Clear goals attract the right people. The mastermind effect. No person has ever achieved great wealth in total isolation. Napoleon Hill's concept of the mastermind, the coordination of knowledge and effort in a spirit of harmony between two or more people, is the ultimate accelerator of success. However, a mastermind cannot be formed around a vacuum. It requires a nucleus of clarity. When your goal is articulated with precision, it acts as a beacon that signals to potential allies. People of high caliber do not want to join a vague idea, they want to join a mission. Clarity is the price of admission for high-level networking. A clear goal acts as a natural filtering system for your social and professional circles. It helps you quickly identify who is a multiplier, someone who adds value to your vision, and who is a subtractor, someone who drains your energy. When your purpose is clear, you stop trying to please everyone and start seeking those who share your frequency. This alignment creates a synergy where the collective intelligence of the group exceeds the sum of its parts. In a well-functioning mastermind, one person's weakness is covered by another's strength, all focused on the same clear objective. The mastermind effect also works through the principle of social proof and reputation. When the world sees a person who is relentlessly pursuing a specific clear goal, they often step aside or step in to help. Mentors who are typically busy and successful people are far more likely to give their time to someone who shows they have a plan. They see their younger selves in that clarity and are motivated to help shorten the person's learning curve. This access to specialized knowledge through other people is the fastest way to bridge the gap between where you are and where you want to be. Moreover, clarity in your goals allows for the delegation of tasks with high efficiency. If you cannot explain your vision clearly, you cannot lead. but when the destination is vivid, you can inspire others to take ownership of specific parts of the journey. This is how empires are built. Wealth is not created by doing everything yourself. It is created by orchestrating the talents of others toward a singular, clear finish line. By maintaining a clear goal, you provide the magnetic north that keeps the entire team moving in the same direction, preventing the wasted energy of internal conflict and misunderstanding. Lesson 5. Clear goals create urgency and persistence. Persistence is the insurance policy of the successful. Napoleon Hill stated that there may be no heroic connotation to the word persistence, but the quality is to the character of man what carbon is to steel. However, persistence is not just about trying hard, it is about having a reason to keep trying. A clear, definite goal provides the why that makes any how bearable. When a goal is vague, the first sign of hardship is usually an excuse to quit. When a goal is clear and the desire is deep, hardship is simply a test of one's resolve. Clarity creates a sense of psychological urgency. When you have a specific deadline attached to a clear goal, your mind perceives a gap between your current reality and your desired future. This gap creates creative tension, a psychological discomfort that can only be resolved by taking action. Without a clear goal, time feels infinite, and procrastination becomes the default mode of operation. But when the goal is defined, every day that passes without progress feels like a tangible loss. This urgency is the fuel that drives the consistent action necessary for wealth creation. Consistency is the true secret of the overnight success. Most people underestimate what they can do in 10 years but overestimate what they can do in 1. A clear goal allows you to maintain a long-term perspective. Because you know exactly where you are going, you are less likely to be discouraged by the trough of sorrow, the period where effort is high but results are not yet visible. You keep showing up day after day because the goal is so real in your mind that its physical manifestation feels like a mathematical certainty. Finally, clear goals transform your relationship with failure. Hill taught that every adversity carries with it the seed of an equivalent benefit. When you are on a mission toward a clear goal, a failure is not a dead end, it is feedback. It tells you that your plan was flawed, not that your goal is unreachable. This allows you to pivot with speed rather than wallowing in disappointment. The ordinary person sees a wall and turns back. The person with a clear goal sees a wall and looks for a ladder, a sledgehammer, or a way around. This relentless persistence born of clarity is the final and most important bridge to extraordinary wealth. Wealth is not created by chance, it is created by decision. If you want your life to change, stop drifting and start deciding. Write your goal clearly, see it daily, commit to it relentlessly. The clearer your goal, the faster your wealth will grow. If this message spoke to you, take action today. Define your goal, align your mind, and move with purpose. Your future is waiting for your decision.